What happens if police collect evidence illegally? Imagine a courtroom where the rules of fairness and justice are supposed to be the foundation. Now picture what happens when those rules are broken by law enforcement officers during the process of gathering evidence. The integrity of the entire legal process depends on proper procedures, and any deviation can have significant consequences. When police collect evidence without following established legal protocols, such as obtaining a valid search warrant or adhering to constitutional protections, that evidence is considered unlawfully obtained. This is often referred to as evidence gathered in violation of the Fourth Amendment of the United States Constitution, which protects individuals against unreasonable searches and seizures. Such evidence is typically called fruit of the poisonous tree because it is tainted by the illegal action that produced it. The primary consequence of collecting evidence illegally is that it can be excluded from being used in court. This process is known as the exclusionary rule. The purpose of this rule is to deter law enforcement from conducting illegal searches and to uphold citizens' rights. If evidence is deemed inadmissible, it cannot be presented to the jury, which can significantly weaken the prosecution's case. In some instances, this exclusion can lead to the dismissal of charges or even the dropping of a case altogether. Additionally, evidence obtained illegally can sometimes lead to civil lawsuits against law enforcement agencies or individual officers. Citizens who believe their rights have been violated may seek damages through civil rights lawsuits. These legal actions can result in financial penalties for the authorities involved and can also lead to disciplinary measures or policy changes within law enforcement agencies. In some situations, evidence collected illegally might still be used if it was obtained independently of the illegal search, or if the police would have inevitably discovered it through lawful means. However, these exceptions are limited and depend on specific circumstances. Overall, collecting evidence unlawfully not only jeopardizes the fairness of a trial but also risks undermining public trust in law enforcement. Upholding legal standards during evidence collection is essential to ensure justice is served while respecting individual rights.